Hello and welcome to this video by Edustunt. Today we will discuss how to improve your handwriting. Whether you're a student, professional, or simply someone who wants to write more beautifully, this video is for you. 1. Start with the right tools. Invest in a good quality pen or pencil and some nice paper. Experiment with different materials to find what works best for you. 2. Proper grip. Hold the pen or pencil correctly to avoid cramping and fatigue. This will also help with control and precision. 3. Posture. Sit with a straight back and keep your hand and wrist relaxed. This will allow for smoother and more consistent strokes. 4. Slow and steady. Don't rush, take your time and focus on each letter. A slower pace will help you pay more attention to the details. 5. Consistency. Pay attention to letter size, spacing and slant. Consistency helps make handwriting more readable and visually appealing. 6. Practice, practice, practice. Regular practice is key to improving your handwriting. Set aside some time each day to write or use prompts like quotes, lists or journal entries. 7. Find your style. Your handwriting is unique to you, so don't worry about copying others. Instead, focus on finding a style that feels natural and reflects your personality. Thank you for watching. I hope these tips help you achieve the handwriting of your dreams. Remember to be patient and consistent, and your handwriting will improve with time. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.